Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I am going to show you how to use Mendeley Reference Manager, and I'll show you how to install Mendeley Reference Manager and how to insert index citations and bibliography. It is well known that Mendeley Reference Manager offers a complete solution for organizing academic literature and streamlining research activities. In this session, we'll explore how to effectively integrate in-text citations and bibliographies using Mendeley Reference Manager. So the first thing what you are going to do, open your favorite browser and go to Mendeley Reference Manager. Then in here it is under mendeley.com. You'll find the first one, Mendeley Reference Manager. Click there. Then this window will pop up, Mendeley Reference Manager download now option. Then another window will come, different operating systems, Windows, Mac, Linux operating systems are there. So in this tutorial I'll show you in the Windows. So download now for Windows option, click there. But the installation process for some other Linux and Mac systems will also the same. So after that it is downloading now. It will take some time to complete the downloading process. Now it has completed. Open the folder and search the location where it is downloaded. Then this is a Mendeley Reference Manager. You can double click it, otherwise right click and choose Run as Administrator. Then the installation process will begin. So this option will come. Do you want this app to make changes to your device? Just choose yes. Then two installation options are there. The first one, anyone who uses this computer, and the second one, only for me. I'll choose the first one, anyone who uses this computer. Just I'll click there and install. It will take some time. As shown here, it has finished the installation process. Click finish. Then if you minimize the window, you'll see the shortcut icon in our desktop as shown here. It was not there before, but now after installation, the Mendeley Reference Manager will display as a shortcut icon in our desktop. Then this registration window will pop up from the Elsevier automatically after the installation process completed. Otherwise, you can also access by double-clicking the shortcut icon from the desktop, because registration is required to access the library and also to connect it with the web. So you have to provide your email, then continue. Then next, you have to give your name, family name, and password. Then after finishing, just choose register. As is shown here, choose continue. Then the Mendeley desktop library will pop up like this. As is shown here, it is empty. Nothing is imported yet. All references, there is nothing there. So this is the window when you open it for the first time. But we are not completing the journey yet. There are two things you have to do. The first one, just installing the Mendeley Web Importer. The Mendeley Web Importer is important to connect your Mendeley library in your desktop to the web, to import references from the web. The other one, the Mendeley Cite, it is used to cite in-text citations and bibliographies in our Word document. So go to Tools and choose the Web Importer, then go to Chrome. Chrome is my search engine browser, so I'll choose Chrome, then OK. Then after that, the Web Importer for Chrome option there, click there. Then choose Add to Chrome option. Then choose Add extension. Then finally, it will integrate with our browser. It will integrate with our browser. So we finished the second installation. The third one will be the same. Go to tools, then you choose Cite for Mendeley Cite for Microsoft Word. Click there, this option will come, get it now, and sign into Microsoft App Source. Just give the same email. If you don't have any account before, get any one option, choose get any one option, then you have to provide the same email that is used for registration in the Mendeley Reference Manager. Then next, give your name, first name, last name, the same procedure. Then choose next. You have to provide these details. Then next. Then the code will send, verification code will send to your email. Open your email and copy that code and paste it here. Then it will ask you some verification, verification completed. You have to solve the puzzle, and finally this window will pop up, and you have to register. You have to give some details and register. Get it now. Then open in Word. Open Word. Now it is installed, perfectly installed to our Word document. You can choose accept and continue to the right side. Accept and continue. Then it will come there. It will, you see, it will display as the top right corner, the Mendeley Cite. So if you close this Word document and if you open any one, it will also available in the reference section. Let me show you. Just start, then Word. Then if I open this blank document and if I go to the reference section, I'll find the Mendeley Cite at the right top corner. So which means we perfectly installed all the three things. Now we successfully installed three things. The first one, Mendeley Reference Manager, the shortcut icon in our desktop, and the second one, you can open your browser and you'll find the browser extension for Mendeley Web Importer here. Mendeley Web Importer here. And the third one, you can open your Word document. It can be blank or already in use document. Then go to references, then you'll find this one, Mendeley Cite. So we perfectly integrate all the three things. Now I will show you how to import references, how to organize your Mendeley Reference Manager library, and how to use Web Importer, and finally how to insert in-text citations and bibliography. So the first thing what you are going to do, open your Mendeley Reference Manager from your desktop. Then when you open it for the first time, it will take some time to load it, and this is the window pop up for the first time. So as this shown here, nothing is imported yet. As this shown here, welcome to your Mendeley library. It's empty, nothing is there. Recent added, recent read, favorite, my publications, unsorted, trash, and some other things are there. So how to organize this library is the first thing. If you want to add reference to your Mendeley library, so the first thing you can use manual entry method. So go to add new, then you can go here, add references manually. So you can input all the detail manually. As an example, title like this, you can write. You see, even copy paste, it is not allowed. So you have to input the title like optimization of process parameters like that. You have to give all the details for this journal. Then you have to check the article. What type of article is it? It is book chapter, or it is a book, or it is a journal article. You can choose this one, and you have to enter the identifier like this. Authors, you have to give the author. So in journal, the journal name, you have to give the journal name like that. So you have to give. Then after that, add entry. So as soon as you enter these details, the journal, the reference you are planning to use will be detailed like this. So if you click here, you will see the details. Optimization of process, something abstract, you have to add the abstract, and you have to use the you have to add the URL address, and some other details will be required. So this we call it manually, but I'll not recommend this manual entry of references. So but it is possible to manually add references. The second method, let me show you. Just let's minimize this one. If you want to use this article as an example, if you have a PDF version of that article, you can drag and drop it just like easily like this. You see, now it is uploading the file. So it will take all the details of this journal. If you are adding, you see, as it is shown there, it is adding this journal. So the second one, journal, books, or some other references, you can just drag and drop it to the library easily like this. So as it is shown here, if I click here, it will give me all the details. It is journal article. It will it has this URL number, DOI number, ISSN number. All the details are taken to the data. The file also there, PDF version of the file is there. Then the authors, as is shown here, the authors are also there. Then such types of details will be collected from the journal if you drag and drop the file. So another file also, you can hold it and drag it like and drop it like this. It will take some time to upload the file, but finally it will store this to your library. This one is the second method. The third method I'll show you. Just let us go here, add new, then after that import from computer. You can also use this one, import from computer. Click there, then after that you can from your desktop, this desktop, now the PDF, just like you can open it like this. You see, now it is uploading, but it is duplicated item. It is repeating the file because we already previously upload this file. Add new again, you can go to here, you can go there and pick the article 27 like this. So as this shown here, it is also uploading the file like this. The other thing, you can also import folders. So I keep this files in folder. So what I am going to do, open your Mendeley library, then go to here, add new, then you see import folders from computer. Just choose that one and choose new folder too. You see, now there are two folders files in there, so it will bring all the files here like this. The fourth method will be by using Mendeley Web Importer. So to do that, you have to open your browser that you installed the Web Importer. So this one I used Chrome, and I'll go to extensions. Then when you open extensions, you will find this one, Mendeley Web Importer. So what you are going to do, pin it like this. Click here, it will change it into blue, and pin it as the top, as it is shown here. You see, it was not there, then click, it will pin it here. So what you are going to do, just search for any journal what you want. So I want to search metal forming like this. Then when I search automatically, after searching this one, just click there. You see, it is fetching, and also it is giving the option to sign in. Then what you are going to do here is just sign in by using the email address and the password which is associated with your registration here at the installation process. So sign in, then you have to provide your email address and your password. So I already given this email address and password which is associated with the registration process during the installation process. Then after that, sign in. You see, now I signed in, then it is capturing all the journal articles which are available here. So the first one, you see, is capturing all the references available here. So my journal is this one. Let me open this. Optimization of metal forming process, just Antonio, the author. So let me check this one whether it is available or not. So you see, Antonio, it is here. It shows me that PDF version of this document is not available, but the other information of this file is available. So it is just painting blue because it shows me this is the file for this journal article. Then if I open, if I choose this add to Mendeley, it will take this optimization of metal forming process, this journal, to my library here. So let me, still now there is no optimization of metal forming process. This journal is not available here. You see, optimization of metal forming process, it is not there, but when I click this one, add to my library, it will automatically import it to my library here. You see, now optimization of metal forming process, it imported. The author is Antonio, as it is shown here. So this is one of the methods, which is the fourth method. If I want to search some other article also, I can go here and let me search for some other, this one, modeling techniques for optimization. If I want to cite this article, the same thing, I will go here. First I'll search the journal, then click there, then it will show me this. You see, modeling techniques for optimization of metal forming process, as it is shown here. Then if I click here add to Mendeley, it will import it directly to my library like this. So let me choose this one, add to my, still now there is no Mendeley technique, modeling technique for optimization of metal forming process. There is no such a journal here. See, there is no such a journal here. Add to Mendeley, then it has finished here. Then let me open it. You see, modeling techniques for optimization of metal forming process. So you can use these methods to import into your library, The other thing, just you can also use just Mendeley library, this Mendeley search. You can use this one also, the database from Mendeley. Then you can also import files here, right? Database search, you can use database search. So Mendeley also allows you to search unimportant references directly from within the Mendeley desktop or web application. So you can search for articles, books, and other scholars' work using keyword and specific search terms. Then after that you can import it to your library. As an example, you'll find some journals. If you want to take this journal, you can click there, then choose add library. You see, then it will import it. You see the future bioenergy. So the other thing, if you want to cite this journal also, click there, then choose add to library. So you can use all these 6 methods to import all the references to your library. So as is shown here, bioenergy development in the UK, then you'll find it here, bioenergy development in the UK. These are all the important methods to import references to your Mendeley library. Next, I'll show you how to organize your library. As just shown here, all the documents just right now, these references are available in the first section, which is all references. So it may be also found in this recently added, because it will show you recently added files. You see, all these are recently added, so that it will show you all the files here. Recently read, if you read recently, it will show you also. If I read some files from this one, it will show me the file. Favorite, if I chose some of the favorites, mark, if I mark them as favorites, it will show me like that. Let me show you this one. If I click the first one, this is my favorite journal. If I click the first 3, it will drop them here. It will show me these favorite journals here. You see, it is showing me all the 3 favorite journals. If I deactivate them, it will remove from the list of favorite journals. You see, nothing is there now. My publications, if you have any publications, you can put it here, and unsorted, it will show me all the files, because unsorted, in other words, uncategorized journals will be shown here in this unsorted. Duplicate items, if duplicate items, multiple items, the same journal but repeated, which means so it will show me these duplicate items like this. So trash, all the journals which are removed or deleted will show me here. As an example, let me go to duplicate items, then let me move some of these items to trash. You see, like this, move to trash, like this. Now if I go there, I'll find 2 journals which are deleted. So now I'll show you how to organize your library. Assume this now I'll tell you how to organize your library. As just shown here, these all references are listed here, but I'm planning to prepare a journal article, but I'm planning to submit a journal. I'm preparing a manuscript. and planning to submit to some specific journal. So how to organize that the list of references that I'm using for that specific journal? As an example, there is journal 1. Then after creating this one, just enter. You see, now it created a folder which is journal 1. So what you are going to do, you can also right click here and you can create subfolders. As an example, in these subfolders, for example, I was using journals, then enter. I was also using just books, enter. You see, and journal, while I am preparing journal 1, manuscript for journal 1 to submit for journal 1, I was using books and journals. So based on this, you can create subfolders like this, and you can create folders like this. You can just hide it or you can display it like this. Then what you are going to do, just to go to references and assume you are using 4 of these journals for to prepare journal 1. So you can drag them and drop them here in journal 1. See, now you see journal 1 is there. Under journal 1 you will find this all the 4 journals references I'm using to prepare a manuscript to submit this to this specific journal. So these are the journal articles, and if you have books also, you can collect it from here, from your library, and paste it here. Then which means you'll be very organized while you are preparing your manuscript, which means you are not going to be confused. So if you can hide it here, then you can create new collection like this. This is journal 2. You see, now you see the journal 1 has subfolders, but journal 2 doesn't have subfolders. As shown, as I said before, you can create subfolders by going here, new sub collection. So like that, if I'm using references for journal 2, I can also choose the files like this, and I can drag them and drop them to journal 2, which means journal 2 has 4 references. I've been using 4 references to prepare journal 2, the manuscript to submit for this journal 2. So you can organize your references by this way. So the last one will be how to use these references for in-text citation and bibliography. So for this, I will open my document like this, already prepared, and if you want to insert references, just go to references, then you'll find Mendeley Cite. The first thing what you are going to do, just choose a place where you want to insert this reference. I've chosen this place for the first time, then go to references, then open Mendeley Cite. Now, as shown here, the option Get Started Display, just click there. You have to give your details, your email, then continue, then password, then enter. Then after that it will connect the Mendeley Cite, this one, with your library, this one. You see, as it is shown here, it is displaying like this. So it means it will bring all the references that are available here. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 9 references will be displayed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will bring all the references like this. And if you want to insert the first one, as an example, this one, just what you are going to do, the first thing, choose a place where you want to insert. Then after that, go to the citation setting. Then you have to choose your citation style. If I want to insert by using American Psychological Association, the first one default, I can choose that one like this. Then after that, I'll go back here. Then I'll go to references. Then I'll choose the reference what I want. The first two one, as an example, this one and this one. Then insert citation. So as this shown here, it is inserting this citation based on American Psychological Association reference system like this. So if I want to change the reference style, I'll go to citation setting back and change citation style. Then I will change to IAE style, then update. You see, as it is shown here, it is updating based on this reference style. Then if I want to go back to the original, this one, then update citation like this. As it is shown here, this is very easy. Then if you want to insert more references, the first thing, you can choose your reference, the location where you want to insert the reference. Then go to references and choose all the references what you want to insert. If it is single, just click that one and insert. So as it is shown here, it is inserting here. If I want to insert multiple references, you can choose all the references, 3 or 4, then insert citation. You see, as it is shown here, it is inserting the citation like this. Then if you want to change, you can go citation setting, change citation style, and you can go to Vancouver or some other style, then update. You see, it is updating based on that. Then finally, what you are going to do, bibliography. If you want to insert bibliography, go to the 3 dots here, then go to insert bibliography. It will automatically insert the bibliography here as it is shown here, which is based on the chosen style. The last style as it is shown here, it is Vancouver style, I think. So it is based on Vancouver style. If I am choosing American Psychological Association, this style also will change. You see, as it is shown here. If I change into IA style, it will bring the numbers in bracket and starting from 1 and list them accordingly. See, it is based on that. Here also it will keep them in bracket. This is IA style referencing system. The other important thing is just there is a connection. As I said before, if I want here, if I go there in the library and if I delete the first 2 items as an example, it will delete it from there. Move to trash, let me move them to trash. Then it will also delete from the list of these references here. You can go here and still now it is there. You see, it is now still there, but what you are going to do, refresh, right click and refresh. Then 2 of the citations, the references will be moved. They will not available. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see, 2 of the references are gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you move delete an item from here, it is also delete from there. If you add also an item there, as an example, let me add one item. Let me add one item. So you can add, let me add from here. You see, cassava, like this, add to library. You see, now if you go there, this journal still now it is not available. This cassava, based on the title is based on cassava, I think. Let me go and check it. Cassava, dual use of food in bioenergy review. So it is not available here still now. What it requires, just as I done before, right click, then refresh. You see, now it is available. Cassava, dual use for food and bioenergy review. So you can use this method to insert in text citations and bibliography, and to import all the references what you want to import to your Mendeley library. You see here also cassava. So this is the online library imported this one, and it will be directly imported to the Word reference system. So this is how you use Mendeley reference manager. And if you want also another reference manager, which is Zotero, you can go check this video. It is this one, Master Zotero Beginner's Guide. You will find all the details how to use Zotero reference manager. It is very important tool for in-text citation and bibliography generation. It is also easy. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.